with the Garden Vegan, where we make alternatives to your sugar addictions. Alright, so today what we're going to be making is Sinless Caramel Truffles. So without further delay, I'm going to hand it over to my beautiful wife, Chef Megan, for an introduction.
Hello everyone, this is Chef Megan, and for our Sinless Caramel Truffles, I have the ingredients right here in front of me. We have coconut oil, and this right here is actually Lakanto, and it is the replacement for cane sugar. It is monk fruit and erythritol. We have some medjool dates, pecans, vanilla, and lilies, sugar-free, dark chocolate chips, and some salt. I'm going to be starting with my Lakanto sugar. This is the golden version. Now, if you do not have a blender that is able to convection it, then I would suggest you buy the confectioner. But if you have a blender that can do it, it will save you some money because they charge you more just to make a confectioner. So this is a third of a cup. And we're going to go ahead and put it into the Vitamix. And we're going to blend it. Now I have a half a cup of pecans and 1/4 cup of coconut oil over here. And we're actually going to put these in and blend these up. Now I have my vanilla in here, and I just ready my side salad. It looks a little bit like a chunky pecan butter. And we're going to go ahead and put our dates in. I have 8 pitted dates. These are medjool dates. You want medjool because they're creamy. And you definitely want to pit them before you put them in your blender. When you put your dates in, you need to make sure that you have a lower level and it's not on high, so that it'll really mix it in, and then gradually turn up the speed. You want it to be rotating. You don't want it to get stuck on the sides. It needs to rotate. It should have a texture like caramel. Now, not a runny caramel. It should not be runny. We're going to go ahead and roll up our caramel and put it on some wax paper. Our caramel truffles are now nice and rolled up, and it's time to put them in the freezer.
Alright, the kids are preoccupied in the pool right now. We got it up for the first time this summer. So, they don't even know we're recording right now. But very soon they're going to be able to taste the Sinless Caramel Truffles.
Now for us to get our chocolate to be creamy and truffle-like, because if you just use the melted dark chocolate, which you can do, you'll get a really hard, crunchy shell. So what I like to do is add 1/4 of a cup. I have this at the 1/4 line, and we're going to pour it in before we melt our chocolate chips. And as you have the chocolate chips in there, you're going to keep on stirring it, and you may need to have more as you do it to get a creamy texture. You want it to be creamy where you can put it in, but not watery. Now I have put 3/4 of a cup of Lily's chocolate into my glass bowl, and I am melting it. And I like to use a rubber spatula so I can get every last bit melted and all together. Our caramel is now cooled, and we're going to go ahead and dip it in the chocolate. I have it on a toothpick so I don't lose it. There we go. Now I usually keep the toothpick on it, and that's so I'm not struggling to get it off, because either way it's going to look ugly until you go ahead and put a drizzle on top of it. our truffles are now cooled and it's time to put on a topping. Now this, I used a little bit more of the chocolate. If you have leftover chocolate, you use that. If not, just add a little bit more and melt it down. Sometimes I take the leftover caramel from the bottom, which is what I did in this case, and I'll mix it in with the chocolate, which makes it have more of a fudgy consistency. So you can put whatever toppings you want to put on it. I have chosen to put on some pecans and some hemp hearts. We got some pumpkin seeds over here and some walnuts. You can really put whatever you want on it, like coconut, peanuts, it doesn't matter, as long as it tastes good.
All right, guys, here's the finished product. Looks delicious. Now let's get these kids and let's see what they think.
All right, guys, look what I have for you.
All right, guys, we made you a treat. Why don't you take a bite? Go grab one. All right, go ahead and take a bite. What do you kids think?
If you enjoyed that video, click the subscribe button.